Hi, welcome back friend. Here in this practical exercise, we are going to write a program to calculate factorial of a given number. We would be using for loop in this case. So let's start. A factorial of a number, say a factorial of a 7, would be the multiplication of all the values from 7 to 1. So it will be resultant as 7 into 6, product of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It will be displayed on the screen when we to perform factorial. So there are different ways to calculate a factorial of a number. One simple method is by using loop. You could use for loop, while loop, or another loop. You need to simply provide a class, declare a main method, take a variable, say n, having a value 5 of type integer, and then we have another variable called fact having value 1. Then we could write the for loop condition having the value I equals to 1 here in this case as a starting initial condition. Then we could check if whether I is smaller than equals to n, and then provide the increment condition I plus plus. Then we could write fact equals to fact into I. Factorial is equal to factorial into the I. This way we could display the value on the screen. When the first time the loop is executed, it will set the value of factorial fact as 1 and n as 5. The first time the value of fact is multiplied with 1, so it will have the value 1. The next time it will be multiplied with 2, so it will have the value 2. And third time 2 will be multiplied with 3, and so on. We can change the value of n anytime and it would display the value of factorial for that number. You could find the value of 10, value of 6, value of 3, any number, natural number. Similarly, we could perform more mathematical or complex operations simply by writing, understanding the pattern and making it simple with if, for, or other loops.